All right, CES 2026. Today I'm taking a look at Potensic. I'm talking to Mark. Tell me what you got going on here.
8 focus on the sub 250 gram photography drones, and it provides the AI features and a clear image quality.
What kind of image quality, what resolution are we looking at for that sensor?
We have the 1.5 image sensor. It provides the users to shoot the 48 megapixels photos and a 4K 30 FPS HDR video.
Okay, awesome. What kind of a flight time should we expect out of these?
Every battery you can fly 32 minutes.
32 minutes, that's actually pretty impressive. I've seen a lot of them that run about 20, so they got a full 32 minutes on this one.
Our brand just focus on the sub 250 gram photography drones. So we provide more features at a more competitive price for all users.
So sub 250 grams, that means that you don't really need to have a license to fly that type of thing, so you can just fly that as a starter drone pilot, that kind of thing, right?
That's correct.
What are the difference between these two different models?
8.2 actually provides more AI features, and the image sensor is bigger than the 8.1. For the AI feature, we have the dolly zoom. It has the visual track, yes.
Visual track, so you were talking about like if you're walking around, this thing's going to follow you.
Yep, that's
okay.
correct.
All right.
Also the transmission range is further than 8.1. So this one can fly 10 kilometers.
Whoa.
Yes.
10 kilometers?
Yes. You can use the PDD-1 remote control to manage the drone in 10 kilometers.
That's really impressive, 10 kilometers away. Yeah. What kind of a retail price are we expecting for this?
For this 8.2 with one battery and the original remote control is $299.
Okay.
Okay, so with one battery and this PDD-1 screen remote control is $419.
Okay, that's actually a completely reasonable price. Now, I am seeing that guy is flying in the background. I got a little bit of footage of that earlier. Yeah. It is super steady. What kind of a tracking are we looking at for that? Is that GPS based?
Right now it's using the optical.
Okay,
yes.
So it's just sensing everything around it and staying in place.
That's correct. And we use the GPS outside in the open environment.
Okay, so it does have GPS technology built in.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. That's been great.